Hello, Barb here.
Brittney.
And so this is Barb and Brittney's Sclero-What Adventures. Where are we, Britt?
We are in Hawaii.
We are in Hawaii at Waikiki Beach. And we'll let you guys look around a little bit. Look at how gorgeous that is. And look at that rain. We are sitting out here on the beach and the rain comes and goes willy-nilly as we're sitting here. So we have a couple extra towels and rain jackets for when the rain comes, we can just cover up. But then that sun comes back out and it's amazing, isn't it?
Yes.
Amazing. All right, what else you want to talk to them about today, Britt?
We got some acai bowls.
Yeah, we got some acai bowls. We had an awesome Hawaiian latte. I had mine hot, of course. Brittney had hers cold. That's the way it goes. You guys tell us what you want to see in Hawaii, and we'll try and make it happen. All right, we'll see you soon.
Aloha.
Aloha.